When I first started doing website optimization, and I think this is true for most people, I was naturally drawn to the visible stuff, the physical, the tangible. So things like the site, the pages, the user journey, things that you can see in front of you and therefore clearly you can work with. And they contain assets that you can manipulate. You can hide them, you can make them bigger, you can build on them, you can change them, you can move them. And so it leads to a style of optimization that's characterized as moving stuff around the page for obvious reasons. And it comes from this mental model of how websites work, which is this cluster of pages structured in a hierarchical fashion. And in the case of e-commerce, you've got the home page, the category pages, listing pages, product detail pages, and so on. But that's not the only lens that you can bring to website optimization, and it's not necessarily the best lens. Another perspective you can take is to start with a user, the customer. And so you ask yourself, why is this user on this website or on this particular web page? What needs do they have? What problem are they trying to solve? What concerns do they have about buying this product from you? What sales objections might they have that you will have to address before you can sell anything to them? And so that leads to a style of optimization that can be characterized as optimizing the sales conversation rather than optimizing the site or the page. And if it sounds like it's a lot more work or a lot harder, you're right, it is. It is a lot harder. But the effort is rewarded by far bigger impact, far bigger rewards. And the reason for that is you can optimize the site, the page, you can move stuff around as much as you like. You will not make a meaningful impact unless you help people to make the right decision and address all their fears, uncertainties, and doubts. And that's all stuff that happens in the mind and not on the page.